Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to ABC2News.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on your 7-day forecast. And this time around, we'll look long range beyond just the next 36 hours or so. Let's jump right into it. We're going to be dealing with a cooling trend over the next couple of days, but then things will gradually start to warm up. First things first, we're going to be caught in a troughing pattern, which means it's going to be cooler. Thursday will be the coolest day of the week. Once we get into your Friday, we'll start a warming trend here. Check it out. As we go into your Friday, skies will be clear. That'll be the brightest day of the week, I believe. And then we'll start to see a ridge build. That'll keep the skies clear as it drifts east. And then we'll get a return flow, which will warm us up. But then as we get into your Sunday afternoon, there's going to be an opportunity of some rain to begin to push in. So just a heads up there, Saturday looks better than Sunday. So between the 2 days, if you want to have some weekend plans, I'd say Saturday morning and afternoon. Even though clouds will be increasing and may be kind of breezy, temperatures will be milder, so we'll start to warm up. But once we get into your Sunday, that's when you'll notice some changes. Let's break down what's going on with this area of high pressure. You'll see the upper level pattern will support a warming trend for Friday going into Saturday. So those will be the best days of the week temperature-wise. But then immediately after that, here comes that cold front. And if you look closely, you can see that cooler air beginning to push south. That's going to overtake the milder air and really start to cool things down. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. And yeah, as we see it right now, 42 degrees, very cool for your Thursday. Friday and Saturday, we'll start a warming trend. Rain is going to push in for Sunday, off and on. Not going to be an all-day washout, but a pretty good opportunity of seeing some rain. And then life behind that cold front, a high temp of just 46 degrees by Monday. And thanks for joining us here at ABC2News.com to get your 7-day forecast information. We'll have another update for you for tomorrow afternoon.